Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to customize the date format in a widget in Bold BI. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add and configure custom date formats for date fields in chart and grid widgets. Let's dive in to see how to format a date. For this example, we'll create a widget. On the design page, I'll click the data source icon. Select Use Existing and choose Sales Analysis Data. Then click Add. Once the data source is added, drag and drop a grid widget to the canvas and resize it. Select the Properties icon at the top right corner and navigate to the Assign Data tab. Add a column like the shipped date. To customize the date, select the Settings icon. Here you can make the date visually intuitive for your needs. Let's get into the details. To rename your dataset, select Rename. For this example, I'll rename it to Shipped Date. You can see the changes applied to the widget. To sort the date, select Sort. A dialog box will pop up. You can sort by and order, in alphabetic, data source order, and field. For this example, I'll sort alphabetically in descending order. Then select Apply to make the changes. You can see the changes applied. In this section, you can format by the following options. Date time, which is a pattern that defines how dates and times are displayed or stored using specific symbols for elements like year, month, day, hour, minute, and second. Date, which specifies display by day, month, and year. Year, which specifies the display of the year only in 2 or 4 digits, such as 25 or 2025. Quarter, which is a pattern that represents a 3-month period in a year. Month, which specifies monthly periods. Day, which specifies daily periods. You can also use more specific measurements like the following. Time, which specifies the hours, seconds, and milliseconds. Hours, which specifies only hours. Minute, which specifies only minutes. Seconds, which specifies only seconds. Quarter year, which specifies a 3-month period and 2 or 4 digits of the year. Month year, which specifies a month and 2 or 3 digits of the year. Week year, which specifies the number of the week and the 2 or 4 digits of the year. Date hour, which specifies day, month, year, and hours. Day of week, which specifies the day of the week, such as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. Week of year, which specifies the week number within the year. Day, month, year, which specifies the day, month, and year, such as 10th December 2025. Month, day, year, which specifies the month, day, and year, such as December 10th, 2025. For this example, I select day, month, year. You can see the update. To set the settings for the selected format, select Settings and navigate to Edit. In the dialog that pops up, you can format the settings to 4 digits, 2 digits, or custom. By default, the 4 digits option is selected. To change to 2 digits, select the second option. Select Custom if you need to use a different format. Here you're allowed to input the format of your choice. Then click Outside. To apply the changes, click OK. You can see the update. To clear this update, go to Settings, then Clear. You can see changes reverted. Next, you can select the fiscal year start, which is available on a month-by-month basis. For this example, I'll select June. To save your changes, select OK. You can customize the relative date filter by selecting Edit. Here you can filter data based on a time range from year, quarter, month, week, day, hour, and minute. Based on a range, you can select a period from previous, current, next, last, past, upcoming, and year to date. You can also specify the date by enabling the link to a specific date checkbox to configure the exact time range. To apply these changes, select OK. For this example, I won't make any changes. To filter, select Edit. You can filter in List, Condition in Column, and Summary, or rank by mode, Count, Column, and Summary. I'll enable the rank and adjust to show the top 3 for this example. And click OK to save my changes. Go to Properties and update the name to Date. Let's preview this dashboard. You can now see our customized date. In this tutorial, I've shown you how to customize the date format in a widget in Bold BI. To learn more about Bold BI, you can visit boldbi.com. Start a free 30-day trial by selecting Try It Free. If you want a demo from an expert, select Request Demo to schedule a call. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching.